Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Code for Speed, and before I get into any major details, I want to give a big shout out to my dealership, Performance Kia, for letting me use this 2023 Kia Forte GT line for this video today for you guys. And please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the new uploads, and make sure you hit that post notifications bell just so you can be the first one notified since the video drops. But in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 reasons on why you should own this 2023 Kia Forte GT line. And I know guys, it sounds weird because we're not even in 2023 yet, but the vehicle is here. All right guys, so as you guys can see, I'm going to give you your first reason, and you guys always know I always do a walk around, and the reason why I do a walk around is because that's going to be your first reason on why you should own this vehicle. Take a look at that. Between the previous years, 2014, 2015, 2016 years, this new 2023 Forte looks sharp, and it has a mean look. As you guys can see, you have your fog lights lamps down at the bottom, as well as your head beams right there. And just look at that sportier look. These wheels are Magnicity Solus, and the size is 225/45, rim 17-inch. And that is a sporty look. Wow. I really love how Kia did the gray and the black mixed together. That's just a nice look. So that's your first reason, guys. I mean, who could say no to this look? So your second reason on why you guys should own this vehicle is your miles per gallon. I know I talk about it a lot, but the reason why is because right now gas is really high, and the miles per gallon on this vehicle that you get 28 city and 39 highway, which gets you about 32 miles per gallon combined. So right now, I test driven the vehicle. Let's turn that down, and let's see, did it do? No, it did not. But I don't think I did long enough trip for it to say. But think about this: as you guys are driving through the city with this vehicle, you're getting about 28 miles per gallon, especially with how high gas is right now. It is completely insane. And if you guys do a long commute to work, you also get a 39 miles per gallon on the highway, which is pretty insane. You get to save yourself gas. Saving gas means saving you money, and I don't know if you guys like saving money, but I love saving money. So there goes 2 reasons: looks and a miles per gallon. The third reason is reliability. If you guys don't know, these cars have been around for a long time. I mean, tons of years these cars have been around, and many people are still owning them until this day. We still have a lot of people showing up looking at different ones with different models, and you got 2010s, 2012s, 2014s that are still kicking it on the road. And I would tell you, as long as you treat these cars good, these cars will treat you good. Reliability, I would give it a 10 out of a 10. I actually had owned a Forte GT line myself, and I had that vehicle for a year, and in the first year I had put around 45,000 miles on it. That's traveling across country in it. And I would tell you that car only had one issue, and the one issue was the wheel bearing, which Kia did cover under a warranty. So I would tell you reliability is a plus in this vehicle. It's past a 10 rating on that. So reliability, no question about it. As long as you treat the car good, this car will treat you good. So there goes 3 reasons on why you guys should own the 2023 Forte GT line. And the 4th reason is warranty. Many people keep vehicles for more than 2 to 3 years, and for those 2 to 3 years you would make sure that you want to be covered under a warranty. The reason being, if anything goes wrong, I would rather make sure something's covered under a warranty than having to pull money out of my own pocket, which this vehicle is equipped with a 10-year 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty. So for the next 10 years, you're covered under a full factory warranty on this engine, transmission, everything that helps maintain this vehicle, which is pretty cool. I think it's a sweet warranty. The reason being is because you can either do it up to 100,000 miles, or you can do it up to 10 years. So for the next 10 years, you're covered. As long as you keep up with your maintenance records, you are covered under a warranty on this vehicle, which is double every other manufacturer's warranty. So there goes 4 reasons why you guys should own the vehicle, and the 5th reason will be a nice reason. The 5th reason, guys, why you should own this vehicle is the equipment. This vehicle is equipped with a lot of features, especially if you're a first-time driver. Has enough safety features that I would recommend first-time driving, what I look for. So let's get right into it. I would want to say you do have keyless entry on this vehicle. So when you step out of the vehicle, it won't work right now because the vehicle's turned on, but when it's turned off, when you step out, you can literally click that box, open the door. When you get out of the vehicle, click the box and it will lock the doors for you as well. Alrighty, so let's talk about equipment. So in this Forte, you do have drive mode. Drive mode means different modes that you can put the vehicle in. So now we're on sport mode, and then we also have smart mode, and then we just have normal mode for a normal drive. You also do have a factory button to show up on your camera, and then if you click this box right there, you can also get another view of your camera. This vehicle is equipped with navigation. So you can, this vehicle is equipped with Apple CarPlay as well, which you take your USB cable, you plug it right there into the Apple, the USB drive, and you literally plug it into your phone, and then your maps and GPS pulls up on here as well. So you can use your navigation, or you can use your Apple CarPlay, which I would say it doesn't really matter which one you use. The reason being is because they're still going to get you to point A to point B, which is pretty nice and you don't have to worry about. So let's type in McDonald's and see where the nearest, oh, I'm so sorry, McDonald's. So boom, McDonald's is there. Click there, and then yeah, no, we're not activating that. No, go back. There we go. Yeah. All right, so another thing in this vehicle that you have, just in case you guys, if no one goes over the vehicle with you, oh, I gotta turn this brightness up because you guys probably can't see. If no one goes over the vehicle, you can click setup and then click vehicle, and then it will describe all of the safety features for you. So let's say we do blind spot safety, and all right, so let's click warning only and click that. So there you go, you have blind spot detection. So the blind spot detection, safe exit warning, provides a warning when the approaching vehicle is detected in your vehicle's blind spot, and provides a warning in vehicle control when risk of blind spot detection is detected, which is pretty cool. You also have forward safety, provides a warning in vehicle control when a risk of forward collision is detected. So this vehicle is equipped with a lot of features. You also have Kia Connect, which is a really cool app, which is right there. The Kia Connect, what it allows you to do is have control of the vehicle, so you can remote start the vehicle from your cellular device, which is pretty cool. There's a lot of things that you can do in the Kia Connect. You also have a highway driving assist, which is a steering wheel there, and your lane keep assist. So what those two things do for you is they provide control of the vehicle if you're driving over the lanes. The steering wheel will help control the steering wheel will help keep you maintained between the lines, which is a really cool feature that I really love on this car. This vehicle is also equipped with remote start, so you have a remote start engine in this vehicle. So this is going to be your 5 reasons why you guys should own the car. I will get more depth into it, but I'm not gonna make this video too long for you guys. So the first reason why you guys should own this vehicle is the looks. The second reason why you should own this vehicle is the miles per gallon. The third reason why you guys should own this vehicle is reliability. These vehicles have been around for many and many of years. And then the fourth reason why you guys should own this vehicle is the warranty. And then the fifth reason why you guys should own this vehicle is because of the equipment. And I will show you guys in about 2 seconds how the remote start works. I'll also show you. So check rear seats. You have to check no rear seats, but just give you guys a quick little walkthrough of it. Boom, and then you have your power windows on both sides, and then your trunk. And I think they only provide you with the mobility kit, which is okay. There goes that. And I'm gonna show you guys on how this works. So, as long as you have the key within distance, and then how you make your remote start work is you lock the vehicle, then you hold this for about 5 seconds, and then turn it off, and then lock. And guys, if you want to see the POV video of me driving this vehicle, all you gotta do is click the link down below, and then I will catch you guys in the next video. Stay safe, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video.